Cafe du Monde for some beignets and some coffee. And I got me a root beer.
Okay.
Here we go. I'm gonna open up this way.
All right. Here we go. Oh, mercy.
And they roll.
Now this is a single order.
Yeah, get 3 for $3.85.
3 for $3.85. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Let me get around the corner here. Look at these things.
Get some napkins here.
Okay.
All right.
Pretty big. And then the coffee here. Okay. The first bite.
First bite. It's like a crispy.
Let me see the inside of that. Oh yeah, look at there. Oh yeah.
It's crispy. It's like fried dough. Yeah, it's like fried dough. All the sugar.
You like it?
Not too sweet.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's decent.
Okay.
It's nice and hot.
That does look good. Okay, I want to try it.
Okay.
All right, my turn. Then they give you a lot of powdered sugar with this.
Yeah, they do.
Real hot. Hot. All right, get that powdered sugar in there. Now that is good. Oh my God. I know the fried dough taste. I mean, it's really juicy. I mean, not juicy, but tender on the inside. Crispy on the outside.
Yes.
Like you said, it's not over sweet.
Nope.
It's got a sweet and savory taste to it. And I can see why they give you a lot of powdered sugar, so you can have fun with this. This is good.
You have to be careful. You can actually keep eating them and not feel full right away.
And it's a nice size too.
Yeah, it is.
You know, three is enough for 2 people.
Yeah, I think so.
Thumbs up. Cafe du Monde.